Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta spark plugs, updated. Start by gathering a 5/8 spark socket, ratchet, extension, torque wrench, gap gauge, anti-seize, and new plugs that match your engine. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Let the engine cool fully. Label ignition coils or wires so you reinstall them in the correct order and avoid misfires. In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta spark plugs, updated. With parts labeled, remove the engine cover or intake components to reach the ignition coils. Unplug each coil connector, remove the retaining bolt, and pull the coil straight out, twisting gently if needed. Insert a 5/8 spark socket with an extension, keep steady alignment, and turn counterclockwise to break the plug free. Work methodically from one cylinder to the next. In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta spark plugs, updated. Verify the replacement plugs match OEM specs and set the gap to the specified measurement, often 0.44 inches. Hand thread each plug to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with a torque wrench to about 18 lb/ft or follow your manual value. Reinstall coils, secure bolts, and reconnect electrical connectors in the order you labeled earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.